Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Waldorf, local and long-distance movers near me. In Waldorf, our long-distance moving services are designed to cater to various needs. We offer climate-controlled transportation for sensitive items and specialized packing for delicate belongings. Our team's efficient and careful handling guarantees a stress-free moving experience, making your relocation seamless. In Waldorf, Maryland, our moving services are tailored to the town's vibrant community. We provide expert packing, efficient transportation of household goods, specialized residential moving, office relocation services, and custom moving plans for various needs. Our services in Waldorf ensure your move is as dynamic and efficient as the town itself. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Waldorf moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.